Her objective is to grow with organization through my hard work and achieve personal and organizational goals, also to provide educational leadership. The Great Mentors warmly welcomes Ms. PasQueen Santan Kasi, Principal, Vision International School, Shirur. She is quick learner, loyal and good motivator, enthusiastic to learn and implement new things, creative, independent, initiative, self-development, flexibility in giving 100% in my work. Her skills are academic development, administration works, admission process, directing and guiding teachers in preparing curriculum, employee training programs, organized webinars on various topics for principals all over India. Her achievements are Best Teacher Award received in the year 2016 in private schools at Taluka level. Best Teacher Award received in the year 2016 in private schools at Taluka level. Acharya Chanakya Shikshavid Samman Award 2021. Awarded Shiksha Padma Samman Award by All India Principal Association 2021 and many other awards.